is, boys and girls, brand new toolbox. That's the old one, this is the new one. Just got to put the wheels on. As you can see, they're in this box here. Flip it up, put that one on top. I can't put any tools in it yet because good old Halfords haven't provided me with any drawer lining, so I'm going to have to order some off eBay, put the drawer lining in myself, and then I can put my tools from that one into this one. But for now, I'm going to let you watch me put it all together, and yeah, let's do it.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Until you find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Until you find your